여보세요. 네. 네. Hello and welcome to a special Halloween version. Today we're going to be of my episode. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between Jamaican black castor oil and Chebe oil. All right, perfect. So let's go into it. What is Chebe oil? So I was told by a friend about this, you know, it's pretty much good for growth and everything. Let's see what's in the ingredients here. Olive oil, Chebe powder, castor oil, and peppermint oil. So I've been natural for 7 years. So I wanted to try something different, you know, because sometimes I feel like, sorry girl, but this is irritating me. Sometimes I feel like your scalp kind of gets used to the same routine, right? So let's try something different. So Jamaican black castor oil, everybody knows this. I remember when this first came out, I would say about 2016, and everybody was like, this is such a growth secret. This is such a growth secret. Everybody, this thing was like sold out. Like I used to covet this so bad. I was like, what is going on? But I tried both. I can show you some footage right there. And that's pretty much me just going in and just using it every day. If I could say which one's the difference, I can definitely say I'm gonna make another video about the importance of oils and butters. I've noticed that a lot of people I noticed a lot of the trend of people saying that oils and butters don't matter anymore. And I'm sitting here and I'm just like, if I don't use oils and butters, my ends see through, you know what I'm trying to say? So it's just, I don't know how people do it, but like I said, the beautiful thing about the natural hair journey is the fact that you can, I'm gonna stop holding these, you can use whatever works for you. Like I said, like my hair hates coconut oil. Some people, they bathe in it. They bathe in the oil. So we're gonna go in right quick with the stats here. I wanna make sure I'm not talking too long. So we're gonna go in with the stats here. I wrote some notes down that I've also showed. I'll show some more footage there. Yeah, and I can definitely say that for sure that it was really, really me like just keeping it up. Cause I don't feel like I can show like a true, plus my hair is in a protective style now. I don't really think I can show like a true result unless I've used it. So I've been using Chebe oil for the last, since my friend put me onto it. I've been using this for the last 3 months. And then I've been using this for the last 7 months, okay? So let's go into the pros of Chebe oil. So I've noticed that with Chebe oil, I know you see it. I know you see these edges, okay? Because at first I didn't know where they're at, but I noticed that it's very, I don't know, I may be reaching, but I noticed that with Chebe oil, I feel like my edges are stronger. Like I've done slick, slap, laid to the side, everything with my edges. And I'm just like, I really hope that, this is recording right now. Okay. But I can definitely say that I've noticed that this is like, I've noticed more growth of my edges. Like I know my edges have always been like, you know, healthy, but I always wanted them to be fuller. Like I want the swoop, you know, like I've always wanted that. So I was just like, let me try something different. But this one, I've noticed like whenever I place on my edges, like instant, you know, instant growth. What other notes did I have? I can definitely say that it's very light, and the good thing about oils is that you got to make sure they're light so they're not too heavy on your scalp, so there's no clogs, because if the cuticle is clogged, no growth can happen, right? So let's go into the pros of Jamaican black castor oil. So the pros is that it's anti-dandruff, it's easier to find, and the price I think is much cheaper. So this bottle cost me, I would say 12 American. I'm saying it like I'm not from here. And this bottle, we ain't gonna talk about it, but I think this bottle was like $10, but I feel like there's like 4 fluid ounces, like double it. So these should not equate, okay? All right, let's do a little quick equation right quick. Okay, so if this is 4 fluid ounces for $10, this is 8 ounces for $10. The math ain't mathin', okay? Quick maths. But the only thing I can definitely say is that it's anti-drug. Let's go into the cons. So the cons for the Chebe oil is that it's actually too light at times. So I feel like sometimes the Chebe oil is too light. So I feel like sometimes like when I put it on, I don't know if my I don't know if the moisture is just sitting. Like I need, like I said, like I have low porosity hair, so I definitely need a good oil butter routine, you know, so it can definitely lock in on the moisture because it's so easy for it to come out of the strass. I've also noticed that I had more dandruff because there was one video that I did and I was just like, I really hope I don't see how bad my dandruff is, but I wanted to commit to it. So this one, I feel like I have more dandruff with this one. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I remember when I was using this just by itself and I was just like, is that corn? What the is that frosted flakes in my hair? I saw flakes left and right. I was like, are you kidding me? Like this, I haven't seen my hair have dandruff since grade school. And that's why I used to use the Dax. I'm gonna put a picture of that there because I don't think y'all know what I'm talking about. A little old school for y'all. But Dax, that one left my scalp dry, but my ends were moisturized. But this one, I can definitely say it's actually too light to where I feel like it doesn't cover the dandruff. Also, the price is, they tripping a little bit. I really wish this would be, especially since it's lighter texture, I really wish that this one wouldn't be as expensive, because I feel like my main thing is like, I'm gonna use this every single day. It's not just something that, sorry y'all. It's not just something that I'm just gonna put in my hair for one time and be like, okay, well, I'm boop, 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 I'm done. No, this literally, I wake up, I put it part of my face routine. I wash my face, moisturize my face, and then I put this on my edges every single morning. I don't skip to this day, okay? So we can go into the cons, so we're not trashing Chebe oil. So the cons of this, I can definitely say for this one, the cons of this one, unfortunately, is the fact that sometimes it's too heavy. So I've noticed that, I don't know if you guys have this, but I've noticed that sometimes when I use Jamaican black castor oil, and like right before I go to sleep, I don't know if it's my scarf moving in the middle of the night because it's trifling, I get like little white pimples. It's from oil under the skin. It's trapped oil under the skin. That's how pimples are formed. But I get like little bumps in the front of my head. So I can definitely say that. I feel like this is better for growing your hair out. Like I feel like it's too thick for your edges. I don't have research yet, but something about the Jamaican black castor oil is almost too thick for your edges. I feel like this one is able to penetrate my shaft better because of the fact that it's so light. So I think it's much easier for me to retain growth that way. But this one, I feel like it's almost too thick for your edges, but for the rest of my head, it makes my hair grow like this. Or I can say retain more length, because some people keep thinking this is a growth formula. I feel like this is just a little, you know, little sling for your hair for the most part, for your hair to gain more strain. So I can definitely say that for sure that with these two, I can definitely say for sure that I know y'all saw that fly. Oh my God. Just one fly just tortures you for the weekend. I don't even know how he got in, but I can definitely say, so my solution to you guys, so you know I'm here to solve problems, my solution is to use both. Yeah, I know that sounds kind of crazy. So my process that I've been using, and I can't wait to show you guys a length check once I'm done taking my protective hairstyle out. What I've been doing, I've been combining them. So what I do is I go in with the light, and then I use this as an oil to seal it. And I know a lot of people are just like, girl, that's too much. I was like, I understand that's too much for you, but my hair has been twerking since. My hair's been, little hair cuticles been doing this, you know? So I can definitely say that's my review on Chebe oil. I can't wait. Please definitely stay tuned and wait for my length check as soon as I take these braids out. And don't forget to subscribe, share.